I see some stain on the carpet. We must clean it up immediately.
Okay, tell me what all you need and then I will get it. You can then tell me how to clean stain on the carpet.
Do you want to learn how to clean the carpet stain on this floor? Then watch this video to learn more about this. And before I start, I would really love it if you could show your support to our channel and click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notification. Don't just wait for them to subscribe, get the vacuum cleaner and the carpet shampoo. Also bring some clean duster and a brush to clean the surface. The first thing that we should do when we see a stain is to vacuum it to clean any loose particles. Once you have done that, take a carpet cleaner and apply to the stain and scrub it to loosen the stain. Do remember to read the instruction on the carpet cleaner properly and follow them. After you have finished brushing it, wipe it off with a clean cloth.
There, the stain is now gone. That was easy.
Removing the stain is easy, if you act on it immediately. Sometimes the carpet can be heavily stained and then you may have to use a shampoo in addition to a cleaner. I have put the links to some chemicals I recommend in the description box below.
Maintaining the carpet is really important and you must use a professional company for cleaning the carpet. However, for small stains, use this video and keep your hotel spotless.
Can you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends? It will help us to let more people know about this channel.
And I will see you tomorrow.